Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed a bunch of different projects that you can learn how to create or teach in Scratch, or even Scratch Junior. Now, one of the very first Scratch projects is the jump scare slideshow. So it switches between different backdrops, and then a little ghost can randomly appear and just say boo. It's not super scary, but it's a fun little project that you can create. Now, I want to show you a neat idea that is kind of like that. So it builds off of the same concepts, and it uses it in a unique way. So this is called The Life of a Tree in the Four Seasons, a speed art, and it is by O4KE. I don't know how to actually pronounce that name. So you press green flag. And so it's switching the backdrops. I don't think there's going to be a jump scare, but it's basically just drawing on one unique new part at a time or moving it a little bit to make it look like an animation. So it shows the different seasons for the tree. We've got a little creature. And this, I think, is a really neat idea that I wanted to share with you. Instead of creating a jump scare, you could create something like this. You can create an animation by simply switching the pictures, even if it's just a backdrop or different sprites, to make it so it's an animated little story. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. Oh, interesting. Goodbye, tree. A bear. Oh, no. It's pretty neat, right? So then it just repeats itself. So it cycles through this and it continues to do the 4 different seasons. So if we click see inside on this, we can see that it's switching between different costumes and making it so that it does the animation. And there are over 400 costumes in here, which is a really neat idea. Now, if you want to create a project that's kind of like this, make sure you check out the links in the description so you can either create it or even teach it. And if you got an idea that you'd like to have us take a look at, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.